Hi guys, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. My name is Rutu Joshi and I am an intuitive tarot reader. So our today's topic is that what God wants to tell you, what Divine wants to tell you. Okay, so we will not waste much time and will directly go to your reading. The first pile is the blue stone. The second pile is the yellow stone, if you can see. The third pile is the transparent stone. Sorry, I hope you can see it. Focus, please focus. Yeah, okay. So these are the three piles: pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Blue stone, yellow stone and white stone. Okay, now we will start with the pile 1. Let's see. Let's see, give me a moment. Okay, for those of you who have chosen pile 1, what are the messages from Divine, from God, from universe, what they wants to tell you, what he wants to tell you, what God wants to tell you, or what Divine wants to tell you. Okay. So what I feel that this pile is worrying so much. What I feel that for whoever chosen this pile, these people are not sleeping at night. They think a lot. They are thinking all the time. A lot of thoughts are coming up in your mind before going to sleep. I feel that you have been very much patient in something. You're waiting for something. I feel like that. For those of you who have chosen this pile, I also feel that this pile needs to be more expressive. They have a lot of love and emotions for others from inside them, but what I feel that you guys don't express it. So what universe wants to tell you that you should stop worrying and keep having patience and strength, and start showing your emotions, start expressing it, and at the end finally you will be your whatever situation you are facing. I feel that this situation is regarding money. This situation is regarding money also, love also, and family also, because a lot of people are watching this. So just want to say it won't resonate with everyone. So three to four messages I am getting, that for some of you, you are worrying about your family situation. For some of you, you are worrying about your financial situation. For some of you, you are worrying about your love life situation. What I feel is that whatever situation you are currently in, there will be a forward movement. Don't worry, there will be a forward movement. God is telling you, do not worry, try to sleep properly. Do not worry about your finances, your family situation. You'll be having a lot of joy and abundance. But just you need to express yourself, share your emotions to others, and you will finally get into the good direction, right direction. Whatever you are worrying about and you don't sleep at the night, so that situation will improve. Maybe it is in a love situation, or whether it is family situation, or whether it is money situation. I feel that your situation will improve. You don't need to worry. And one more point I am getting is that yes, there will be a progress in your situation. Your patience will be giving you fruits. I mean, universe is going to give you something. I'm sure out of it, out of your patience, whatever I'm sorry. You have been very patient, and universe will give you rewards for it. That's what I am feeling. And happy family life will be coming up for you. And the message for you is that obstacles are detours in the right direction. See, whatever obstacle you are facing currently, whether in finance, or whether it is in love life, or whether it is in family life, you are being very much patient, and you have to be more more patient for some time, at least just for 8 weeks, just for 8 weeks, and for within 10 months your situation will be improved. You need to just express yourself, and you will be moving towards calmer water, and you will be getting money, love, and happy family life. That's what I am feeling. Let's see the charms. Let's see the charms for you. What are the charms? Okay. See, some of you are worried that about traveling or some type of those situations. Some of you are worrying about money situation. So what I feel is the money will be coming in for you. There are chances of you to travel as well. I feel that initials we have received EUS. And see, I've told you, some of you are worried about your home life, your family life situation. Focus. I'm sorry if it is not focusing. Give me a moment, please focus. I hope you can see. Yes, so some of you are worrying about your financial situation, home life situation, family situation. So it will improve. Money will be coming up for you. You just need to be patient, and you can also do meditation. I feel that there will be a growth in your situation. You guys can travel also. And yes, see the abundance money charm we have received, the luck abundance money charm we have received. So you will be getting money, getting emotions, getting love, everything will be fulfilled. And you'll get everything: abundance, luck, money, success. Also we have received Ganesha charm. So this charm basically is remove obstacle from your life. So what I feel that, don't worry, your situation will improve, and there will be a forward moment. You can travel as well. I'm sorry if you are my camera is not focusing, sorry. Do some meditation, have some patience, and do some more meditation. I know some of you are getting angry as well, being aggressive as well, but lot of emotions you have. Start expressing it. So universe is telling you that your money situation will improve, your family life will be happy, your home life will be sorted out. You can travel also, money situation will be okay, everything is going to fine. You'll receive money, and there will be a forward moment in your life. So this is what I feel for you, pile 1. I hope you liked it, and if you have really liked it, can you please like, share, and subscribe, and forward to others as well. And so you don't need to worry basically. Now let's move to the pile 2. And remember guys, this is a general reading, it will not resonate with each and every one of you. Okay, so those of you who has chosen pile 2, okay, I'll keep it aside. Those who has chosen yellow stone, 4 of swords, high priestess, okay, 5 of pentacles, okay, 8 of pentacles, the star, the sun. Oh my god, wow. Okay, so those who has chosen this pile, I feel that some of you guys have laid off from your job, or some of you guys, for some of you, I feel that you had a breakup recently. Okay, so what God and divine and universe wants to tell you in this case, in your situation, for whoever choose this pile 2 and yellow stone, you are thinking about the situation. Also you have worked really hard in your situation, whether it is career, money, or any situation. I feel that career and love situation is this. So you have worked really hard in your career and love situation, and that person has left you for some of you, and also that job has told you to leave or laid you off. But universe is telling you that don't worry, we are looking after you. If you can see this eye, I'll give you a closer look. Okay, if you can see this eye, we are looking after you. You have got you have got strong intuition, a lot of help from universe and people around you. And you, if not right now, then you will be getting it. You just need to listen to your intuition, and don't think much. Start working hard. I know you are working hard, but start working more. and keep working hard, and you'll be come out of this situation. Some of you you had a breakup, but that was divinely guided. Whatever happens, it's because of our karma, but you don't need to worry because you have received the sun card. The situation is, you know, whatever the bad situation you are facing currently, there will be a success in coming up for you, and it will be in your favor because the sun and the star, both we cards we have received together. So very 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 much positive reading. I don't know what to say more about this reading. The high priestess, the sun, the star, all the three major arcana we have received. Very much positive, very much positive, very much positive. Those of you who had breakup recently, or felt like missed opportunity or lost job, don't worry, just do some type of just do meditation, listen to your higher self. Universe is guiding you, and listen to your intuition, work hard, and success will be your whatever situation you have lost, or that will come into your favor at the end, and you'll get success, and people will be coming after you. Whoever left you, they will be coming after you and asking you, please talk to us, like that. So please talk to us, please forgive us, and you'll be like very much higher position in your life, whether it is in work or whether it is in life general. So messages from the oracle is that when I am connected to my joyful presence, I attract support from the universe. See, so universe is clearly telling you, that connect with your higher self, listen to your intuition, be joyful, be happy. And whenever you'll feel, when you do meditation, you will feel happy and joyful, and whenever you feel joyful, you'll attract support from the universe. You already have a lot of support, but you just need to come out of that negative energy, that lost energy, that missed opportunity type of energy. You'll have to come out from that, and the sun will be shining on you, and you'll become very much on a higher level in your life, higher level position, whether it is in work, whether it can be, you can be a star as well, you can be a celebrity as well, you can become, I mean to say, or some of you are already like that. So please listen to your intuition, be joyful, and you are attracting a lot of support from the universe already. I am feeling that. Let's see the charms. What are the charms telling for you? Let's see. Oh my god, we have received the feather. See, can you see? Your angels and ancestors are guiding you. They are walking beside you. They are with you. You are getting a lot of support. We have also received Ganesh charm in this reading as well. My god, what I feel that you can also look at the pile 1, because they have also received the Ganesh charm, and meditation and intuition thing they have also received. So obstacles will be removed from your life. You just need to do Om meditation and some type of another meditation. You can search it on Google or YouTube. I hope it is focus. So Om, yeah, do Om meditation, listen to your intuition, or do any other meditation, and your angels are with you, universe is with you. Initials we have received A. Oh my god, 2 Ganesha charms we have received. Some of you had a fight with your friend. I feel that some of you guys had a fight with your friend, or close friend or best friend, but you need to be flexible in the situation, and you'll attract a lot of love, money, abundance, lot of people around you. You can also sign new job and new contract, and some of you those of you whose heart has been broken, you'll get some type of committed relationship soon, and you'll be very much attached to you, and your problem will be solved. We have received the key as well. So if you can see, focus. I'm sorry guys. Yeah, so the key charm we have received. So I think you'll be focusing as well on yourself, and you will receive the solution also for your problem, for your love life. Some of you guys can find new job, new contracts, or new projects. Others of you can have someone romantically attracted towards you. I feel like that. So these are the messages from universe, but universe and God is telling you to do Om, do meditation, and obstacle will be removed, but you just need to be flexible and work hard, and you're this missed opportunity and lost opportunity, or lost of someone, or loss of someone, that from you'll come out of that situation. That's what I feel for you guys. Pile 2. Okay, so hope you liked my reading, whoever choose pile 2. So on whoever choose pile 2, you can also you can also check the pile 1 as well, because I feel that it is resonating with them as well. A lot of common charms we have received, and I feel the connected energy as well. So if you really liked it, you can like, share, subscribe, and forward to others as well. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's see for those who has chosen pile 3. Okay, the transparent stone. Okay, the diamond. What are the messages for you? Let's see what God and universe and divine is guiding you or wants to tell you. Oh my God, money. Oh wow. Okay, wow. Okay, so for those of you who has chosen this pile 3, okay, one more message is there. These people are very much wealthy and belong to a wealthy family of wealthy background, and lot of money, ancestor properties, inheritance also you can have. If not currently, then in future you will be having. This is what universe wants to tell you. You guys gonna have lot of money. If you currently don't have, I feel that you are already have, but if you don't have, you will be having lot of money, from money, wealth from family, or unexpectedly from someone you can expect a lot of money. The wheel of fortune card we have received, so it will happen in divine timing, and you will be you are very much independent and stable, and you will be very much independent and stable on your own. I think you guys all feel some emotional loss, but you feel some hopeless situation is surrounding you. Even you have a lot of money, you have a lot of materialistic things, but and you have a lot of fears and insecurities as well. But what universe is telling you, that you will be having everything in divine timing. This loss of emotions, or loss of something else, whatever you have lost, that situation will be improved. I will give you the time, 9 months, 9 days to 9 months. Yes, 9 days to 9 months, this situation will improve, and you will get a lot of money, ancestor property, and inheritance, lot of wealth, money, stability, independence. You'll be earning on your own as well, and you'll be earning getting money from somebody from your family as well, and you'll be getting stable as well in your life, and you can create your own life as well. I feel like that. A lot of money I'm feeling. Some of you are like a king, you're very stable, very grounded person. Some of you are belong to a fire sign or water sign. Fire sign: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Water sign: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel earth sign: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What are the messages from universe is that joy is the ultimate creator. So you are feeling currently, loss of someone, or you have lost something. I don't know what you have lost, but loss of someone, emotional matter, I feel like that. Because of your own fears and insecurities, you have lost something. But you have a lot of money, but you are not happy. You are thinking about that one person, or that one emotional loss. You are thinking about that. So universe is telling you. That joy is the ultimate creator. If you will feel joyful, you will create your own life. Don't be in this situation, hopeless situation, thinking about past memories or loss of someone. There is two cup upright behind you, so there is a hope in the situation. Don't feel hopeless. Remove your fears and remove your insecurities, and you will get whatever you want. You'll be having freedom, you'll be independent, you'll be stable, you will be having wealthy lifestyle, a lot of money, ancestor properties, and inheritance, and you'll be like a king, and everything will be happening for you in divine timing. So don't rush a thing, and be happy. Your money situation and love situation will be improving. Let's see what are the charms for you. Let's see what are the charms coming up for you. Oh, you this situation is of love. I feel that some of you have lost your love because of your own insecurities and own fears, but that situation will be improved in divine timing. The initials we have received: Y, S, I, and U, and X. Oh, see, I think like some of you guys are dealing with your ex. You're thinking about your ex or ex partner, ex boyfriend, girlfriend, partner, whatever. You are dealing with your ex. This is about love situation. You feel hopeless and lost, but there is still hope. Don't worry. You just need to take action, take stand, and don't be insecure and don't be so much caught up into your fears. Everything will be happen for you. Universe is supporting you, and it will happen on divine timing. Wheel of fortune and wheel of fortune charm also we have received. So what I feel is that God is helping you. You feel sometimes in controlling situation, but don't worry, some good news are coming up for you. Good news are coming up for you. Money is coming up for you. Some of you are frustrated in this lockdown situation. You want to go and meet someone. You want to go in nature and travel. I feel like that. Some of you need to work on your chakras, lower chakras. I feel like that. And some of you guys will get engaged and get into a committed relationship or get married, or some of you will be signing some contract of properties, papers, or something like that. You'll be getting money, you'll be getting love. And don't worry, whoever you has left you, or whoever you left somebody, or if you have left somebody, peace will be coming up. Don't worry, peace will be coming up. You just need to work on your throat chakra. You are not speaking your fears and insecurities. You need to talk to that person. That person's names can start from S, Y, X, I, U, H, or this can be your initials as well. But this situation, this lack of emotion situation, I feel that is regarding love, and that is regarding your ex partner, or something is going on in your love life. But you need to speak up. You need to share your feelings, and situation will improve. Universe is telling you that everything will happen for you according to their wish and according to divine timing. It will be in your favor. Just share your heart and speak your mind, and work on your throat chakra. Work on your lower chakras as well. A lot of chakras you have to work. I know some of you are frustrated in lockdown or feel like control situation, but something good news or some good things are coming up for you. And I feel like let's see the message. May you get everything you want. Wow, I hope you can see. May you get everything you want. See, so your wish will be fulfilled. Just speak your mind, speak your heart, work on your throat chakra, be joyful, and you can create your own life, your own destiny. I think you are, this is the Y initial as well. You are your own enemy because of your own insecurities and own fear. You are, blocking your own happiness. So this is what God is telling you and wants to tell you. You work on your chakra, especially throat chakra and lower chakras. Don't be frustrated. Good news and good things are coming up for you. Engagement, marriage, if you want to talk to somebody, your ex, peace will be coming up for you, and you can share your heart. Money will be coming up for you. So everything is good for you. Don't worry, okay? Don't think so much. Don't feel like you have lost something, because you have not. You will be getting it. You just need to speak your heart and be joyful, and you can create your own life and destiny, and God is with you. Okay, so this is what I have for you, pile 3, and hope you liked my reading. If you really liked it, so please like, share, and subscribe, and forward to others as well. And I hope you got my point, whatever I wanted to say in this reading. And you can comment also if you have any doubt, if you didn't understand anything. But this is my style to read, and if you liked it, you can subscribe it, and if not, then it's your wish. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, these are the general reading. this is general reading, so it won't resonate with all of you. So take what resonates with you and leave the rest, and don't take these readings too personally, and I wish you the best. Okay, bye bye. Yeah, take care.